Ladi Pav, Pav bread or buns, whatever you call. These are awesome, isn't it? Today I am going to show you how to make Ladi Pav or buns. But I am going to stuff it with lip-smacking vegetable and cheese curd filling and making a surprise inside this pav for you to enjoy as a snack anytime. So, what we are waiting for? Let's get started.
First add 1½ cup of all-purpose flour or maida. Add 1 teaspoon of yeast, 2 teaspoons of sugar, half a teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of oats, 1 tablespoon of oil. Also, I am going to add half a cup of warm milk and knead it all together very well until the dough turns soft. Now add little bit of oil and brush it. Cover it with a cloth and rest it for 1 hour. Now for the stuffing, I am going to take 1 cup of chopped carrot, half a cup of chopped capsicum, half a cup of chopped lettuce, 1 teaspoon of garlic, half a teaspoon of ginger, half a teaspoon of green chilies, 1 teaspoon of raisin, 1 teaspoon of pistachios and 1 teaspoon of almond. I have used fresh coriander from my kitchen garden. And chop this coriander for the stuffing. Now I am going to add the main ingredient, 1 cup of chena or cheese curd. Add all the ingredients together. Also add 3 tablespoons of hung curd, add some grated cheese, around 2 tablespoons, now for the flavor I am going to grate nutmeg, add 2 teaspoons of salt, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder and 1 teaspoon of chili powder. Mix it very well and keep it in the refrigerator for half an hour. Now on the other side, after 1 hour, the dough becomes doubled in size. I am going to add 2 tablespoons of butter, and knead it again for another 10 minutes. The dough becomes very soft now. Now divide it into equal small portions. Now stuff each ball with the stuffing. And give it a shape like a pav or bun. Now place the balls one by one into a tray. Cover it and rest it for another half an hour. After half an hour, the balls become double in size. Brush the dough with milk now. Garnish each pav with sesame seeds. Now bake the buns at 180 degrees Celsius temperature for 25 minutes in a preheated oven. Now after baking, brush some butter on the pav to get shiny look. Now let them cool by covering with wet cloth. Now the stuffed pav is ready to serve. You can have the soft fluffy pavs with tamarind chutney, mint chutney or tomato sauce, or you can have these as a snacks. If you like this, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Enjoy!